What's up, y'all? It's Ashley. If you don't already know, Ashley Maria, and I'm back at it again with another video. Oh, look at my hairstyle, guys. My skin is aching.
Oh, babe, come on, get up. I'm tired of this.
Yo, how you doing? We need to put them in the cooler. All right, y'all. We just made it to Walmart. Oh my god, not my hair giving baldness. She's like struggling to get a cart. We have to get ice. I want to get fruits. We have to get a towel and we're gonna try to see if we could get an umbrella, guys. Alright, I think we're gonna grab some grapes. I want them to be like frozen though. We need to put them in the cooler. Y'all already know. I always get these in my videos. We need the crackers, yeah. That's it. It's so cold here. Now you see how it feels recording in public? Everybody just stare. I literally don't care anymore though. Like at first it was so annoying because no, literally the other day they're not gonna say nothing to me. They're just looking. I mean, there's been people that said something like, oh, are you vlogging? Or is this going on YouTube? And I'm just like, but we need the crackers. Wait, where are they? Should we get chips too? Or no? Ooh. Oh my gosh, I love these cookies. Should we get the soft ones? Y'all, do y'all like the blue Chips Ahoy or the red Chips Ahoy? Look, they're right there, the chewy. Can we get that? Yeah. Where? Oh, those over there. The Ritz, right? No, I don't like applesauce. Yeah, we on a budget, so we just gonna have to get the Walmart version.
Ew, stop doing that shit with your shoulders.
Guys, I really like this popcorn. Oh, I wish this had a better, cuter. Yes, I like this, right?
I got this for you.
Why are you laughing?
Capri Sun. The blue raspberry one. Okay.
We should have got ice.
These?
Yeah. Me in a bar, he'll drive a funky car. I don't know, but my camera says it's on 2 batteries, girl. Like what? I literally was charging it all night. Well, no, this one, I was charging the other batteries all night, but the one that I have in here, I literally just charged it 5 minutes before we left. So, look at that 2-piece set. That is so cute. I saw it on TikTok, and the girlies were saying that it was tea on their body. But the material is like... We will be men in a bar, we'll drive a funky car. Trying to find the beach stuff. Okay, y'all, we found the umbrella, but they're saying that they don't sell it in the store, so now we have to go see if they'll give us a price for it. And yeah, so far this is all we have.
Stitch Lego.
Can you hold the camera? Oh, you can't even see it, sorry. So I think that's it. I think that is it for the Walmart trip. Now we're going to get gas. No, but this is everything we got, guys. So we got this chewy Chips Ahoy cookies. We got the white cheddar popcorn. Grapes. My favorite. The Great Value version of Ritz. Classic Lay's. And blueberry Kool-Aid. Oh no, this is blue raspberry. We also got an umbrella. We'll see how much this is, because if it's over $20, we're not getting it. All right, y'all, so we're getting gas. We have all the groceries in the back with the cooler. My sister's in quick check right now. Cutie. stop at Mickey D's. Alright, y'all, we just parked the car at this parking spot. It's like $8 all day. It looks a little sketchy, but I think we'll be good. Now we're just packing up everything and getting ready to leave. I'm overstimulated. I am overstimulated. Is this OD? Should we leave something? What can we leave?
Like,
it's just 3 of us. We didn't need this much food. Do we need this much food?
yo,
We're at Seaside. This is where everybody comes to wild out on Memorial Day weekend and during prom season. Would I recommend? No. Oh, this is where I got my hair done when I came during prom season.
What?
you got your henna here?
Yes. Okay, so we're currently at the beach. There's nobody at the stands, so I don't think we have to pay to get in because there's not a lot of people here. It's literally empty. Like, I think this is the best time to come here, honestly. We got the tripod set up, period. We bought too many things. Here, Nash, can you just hold the camera and I'll set it up? So we're at the beach, we're at Seaside right now. It's really empty, but it's good though. It's not too crowded. We don't have YouTubers coming up to us asking what's our body count, you know?
Look at her with her tripod and shit. Oops, sorry, can't cuss. Bro, if I fall, huh? Stop.
Should I do a backflip?
You can do a backflip?
Should I do a backflip? Should I?
You can't do one.
Should I do a backflip? Okay, come on, let's go. It's too cold. It's too cold. It's cold, can't see.
Oh my god.
We got some nice shoots, guys. I think my biggest pet peeve is like going to the beach and then not being sandy. Cause like everything gets sandy now. I don't like that. She's giving me a massage. Ow! No.
I was never gonna do it.
Yo,
Ashley, cut that
this
out.
is why we can't stream. We will literally be canceled.
We will get canceled. Yeah.
I'm not slime. Is it recording?
Yeah, it's on you.
Yo, are you doing this with my back fat, bro? Alright, y'all. We're leaving the beach because it's already 3 p.m. and my sister wants to go walk around the boardwalk. The walk after the beach be lethal every time. It's so bad. It's $3 for $10.
It's not.
And what's
Bro, don't cut to the conclusion. You get one for free too.
okay, but if we pay the $10, right, what's the biggest price
This
that we
one's for
can
free
get?
anyway, bro.
Okay, but I'm asking though, like, for the $3.
If you pop these, I'll count them.
Ashley, just do it. Just get the free one.
You want to do it or not?
Do it.
Do the free one.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, she missed. That's one. If you guys want to try one game, I'll have that one and give you a prize no matter what. It's like 3 for 10. If you get 8 for 20, I take cash card and Apple Pay.
Damn. He's so weird. Like, why are you?
It's like the third time I've seen you.
How much is it?
Check.
I want one.
Look at her.
wish
She's a
there was
lover
a-
girl.
I wish there was one that said I love my
You're gay.
girlfriend though.
I wish that there was one that said I love, I don't know,
Ash, hurry up.
bacon burgers. Ooh, I need to use the bathroom before we leave.
You need a proof?
No.
Are you too many animals right there out of here? Don't lie.
Guys, I love how she just assumes that I need to take a shit every time I say I need to use the bathroom.
You know what? Like, this is on video, so I won't say it. But you know what I'm talking about.
They was arguing me the whole time because I told them not to eat the funnel cake in the car. There's already sand in here. Everything you could think of is in my car.
Stop taking too, honey.
So
It's gonna
you
take
wanna get home in
3 hours?
Yep.
Gotcha.
She's gonna be on TLC in 2 years. I promise you.
I wasted $100.
The youngest cheapskate.
And don't forget to turn on the notification post to be notified every time. Jesus Christ. All right, y'all, that's... Wait. Bro, please stop, bro.
I'm about to
Why are
get
you
out the car.
biting my fucking... Why are you biting my back seat, bro? Okay, ready? All right, y'all, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed us at the beach, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like more content like this, make sure to go... Jesus. That's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed us at the beach, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification to be notified every time I post. Love y'all.